Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can style the body app plate on Dress to Impress. So let me just take everything off except for the hair and the shoes, I guess. To style it, I just wore the app plate and then I colored it the same color with as my skin, but just like a little bit lighter like that to match it even more. For the swirls, I just colored it pink. For the top, I did use this from VIP, but you can use any top that you would like to. And I colored it in this pink color in metallic. And then I just colored this. I think I colored the second one the same as my skin color, but just a little bit lighter. And then I chose that same pink again for it. For the bottom part, we're going to use Sabrina Carpenter's bodysuit. And I did the second one in matte. And I think, oh, actually I used the metallic one, so it's similar. And then I used the I used the skin color for the second color to match it. I just matched it more a little bit. For the skirt, I just used this currency item from the Valentine's update. I just used the skirt one and then I colored it the same for everything, that pink color. And that is pretty much it really. You can add more stuff to it obviously to style it, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.